Peace, love, and darkness. Welcome back to my channel. Let's hop right into the video today. Let's talk about manifesting in very simple terms. But let's understand as well that we are all manifestations. We are all manifestations as we are source experiencing each other inside of this 3D reality, which is why we're going to talk about reality 1 and reality 2. So manifestation is basically, you can think of it as a gestation period. I grew up in a cult, so I'm very familiar with the Bible. The Bible is something that has been around my life since I couldn't remember. And in the beginning, there was a void, right? The void is darkness. I am formless. So the way we're going to break this down is there are two realities that you are currently operating from. Reality 1 is that I am formless. Just as in the beginning, God said, let there be. Your everyday reality is created from your own internal state of being, your own void, your own inner darkness. The only way out is in. The only way to this 3D reality, reality 2 is basically like us in the 3D. The things we can see, feel, touch, smell. Okay, we're using all of our perceptions. So all of our senses. So your first reality is the one where you are formless, the one you cannot see, the one where you can be all things. This is like a part of your dream state, because imagination. Inside of this darkness, you can be anything. In your dreams, do you have dreams where you feel like they're so real? Drop a comment below. I want to hear some of your dreams because I dream very, very vividly. So I would love to hear those who resonate with me. What are your dreams like? So when you're sleeping, this is like that imagination piece as well. This is that darkness. This is the reality you really cannot see with your two eyes, but you are seeing it within the darkness. Now, your reality number 2 is what you are aware of. So you are, when you say I am hungry, you are aware that you are now formed into something that has to eat. You are what? What are you that has to eat? Are you a human? Are you an animal? Are you an amoeba? So you, and then you perceive. So reality 2 is all of us being aware of the I am consciousness. Our basic need is food, water, shelter, safety. What are you? Okay, you're a human. Are you a man? Are you a woman? Okay, what do you perceive? Now, whatever your perception is, this is what you are birthing into the light. This is now your light. So this is how it happens unconsciously, because if you know you are hungry and you know that you are a human baby, I am hungry, I am a human baby. So I perceive my reality that, oh, this woman has milk for me. So now even babies are birthing their reality because they're putting out the desire. They're putting out into their environment, into the atmosphere, what are their needs, whatever they're perceiving. So this is how you can manifest, because there's a reality that you cannot see. And this reality that you cannot see has influence on the reality that you can see, because you are from a formless state of consciousness, from a formless state of being. So you can apply this to being an adult. If a baby can signal out what it needs and senses its environment, an adult can now take the same blueprint and signal out what it desires to have, because that's what we came here to do. Because we come from the reality of no form, of being formless. We come from the reality of we are all things, because we are all one. We are all source experience in itself. So we each get to use our imagination within this darkness to create any reality that we desire to have. We get to be, you chose to be exactly who you are right now. I am Deity Princey. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my mind. And I am a master coach of the mind. And I do have a free sacred shift for you below to help you with any limiting beliefs, to get over the programming, to remind you of who you are, click the link below, download that, check that out, and join my waitlist too for Cut and Thrive, because Cut and Thrive is very informative. Cut and Thrive is one of the most amazing places that you can be in a container with like-minded individuals who will help you to shift this energy, because we coagulate together, we co-create together. So this is how your realities are being shaped. You have two different realities. Whatever you perceive yourself to be, whatever you say you are, that is what you will birth. This is why I put the two eyes. This is what you will see. But sometimes, here's a tip. You cannot always go by what you actually see. You have to use both of these in balance. That yin and that yang has to be in balance. Sometimes you have to go into the darkness and the things that you cannot see with your two eyes and see with that one all-seeing eye. You have to see with that one all-seeing eye the things that you cannot physically perceive, but you can imagine and you can feel those things within your mind. These things will be birthed into your reality. Drop your comments below. If you watched this far, please like the video, please subscribe. I appreciate your support. Peace, love, and darkness. Stay rich, wet, and dangerous. Deuces.
Had to hop over fences and climb up the ladder to get what I want, bitch, I'm just getting better. They tried to tell me I would never be shit. Look at me now, body built like a brick. Sleep all you want, but I'm chasing my dreams. Everything I do is fucking supreme. Came from the hood, ain't shit sweet about me.